Bayad na po.
Time to raise it up. Let's go. Filipinos, where you at? Pinoy lakas. Back yo. Mic check 1 2 1 2. You know we rolling in that Jeep.
Hi guys, I'm totally excited today because we finally going to show you the footage or clippings of our videos that we have from last year vacation. It's more fun in the Philippines, or it's fun in the Philippines, or super fun in the Philippines. It was given to us by our beloved son, Master Sergeant Michael Brian Villamaco.
Thank you, Mike.
Yes, for our Mother's Day and Father's Day, right? Though?
Yes, sir.
So it's really, really cool clippings. It's not that long, but I hope that you will see the different parts of the Philippines through this video that we made for you guys. Hope you enjoy it. Thank you, Mike. Happy birthday.
Birthday.
Okay guys, we're here na in Palawan at nandito tayo sa side ng mga crocodiles. Mapapakita natin din na pwede mong hawakan ng crocodiles dito. Kaya eto si Tony, tiyatay niya kung ano test na.
Louis Vuitton bag.
It's like Louis Vuitton bag.
Yes.
Teka.
It's like a Louis Vuitton bag. Okay, then you can touch it na. Okay, you can do it na. Sige. Hold it. Yes. Two hands mo. Ganyan. Just holding a baby. Yeah. Come on, you can do it.
I think okay, I think okay. So Mike is actually able to hold it. Yay. Okay, thank you agad siya. Okay guys, we're here in Palawan. And look at the baby crocodiles. Si Tony takot na takot. Pero nahawakan din niya at the end. So mukha namang mabait at nakatay na naman yung mga. So tingnan mo. Ang bait. My baby Coco. Look at that. It's so pretty. So pretty baby. Okay. Guys, thank you. Huwag na natin pabudin kasi na-stress din ang mga crocodiles. Di ba ho? Okay. Sige na, pakainin mo to ha. Okay na. Pakainin na yan. Thank you.
Wow.
Okay guys, we're now here at the butterfly field. Makikita niyo yung mga butterfly. Sige na, Mike. Hindi ko naman tinitignan ng ating ano. Ang daming mga butterfly. Ayun oh, miski na dito pa lang oh. Nakapaligid na kay Mike oh, yan oh. Naglalaro sila. Oh, they want the camera to look at that. Oh,
Kuya,
pretty.
may kalsada dyan ha.
Ah.
Huwag kayong tatawid muna. Tingin kayo kaliwa.
Let's go, ma'am, inside.
Ma'am, kaya ni ma'am magpanas,
That's
ma'am.
birds of paradise.
Pero hindi naman siya ganito, ma'am. Parang
Ito ang Birds of Paradise, pero ang Birds of Paradise natin sa Serenity Paradise Garden natin ay iba siya.
yeah, this one is
Yeah, the
Birds of
other one that we
Paradise.
have in the house is like a bird peacock, but this one is so beautiful. Look at that. So amazing.
American.
It's very cool. And this one is also Birds of Paradise. It's different species naman po.
Oo.
This one. Ay, dito ko po dito.
Yeah.
Yan.
So pretty, huh?
Yes.
Ako magbigay, madam. Ako, ganito ang gagawin ko, ma'am. Ganito ang gagawin. Ang pipila dito magsisimula. Iikot palabas na gano'n. O kaya, paikot na gano'n, lalabas dito. Ha? Yung mga nabigyan na, palabas na ikot na gano'n, ha? Para makuha nyo lahat ng meron sila. Okay, start.
Start pa rito. Start.
Mamaya yung kikiam, pipila rin kayo. Sige. Dito. Dito. Dito.
Hello everyone! Welcome to Pinay Lakas Radio Streaming here in Mangatarem, Pangasinan. Guys, it's a very blessed day indeed. Napakasaya ng araw na to. Kahit bugbog ang katawan sa sakit, napakataba na naman ng puso at napakasarap dahil po na-meet natin ang bumubuo ng Golden Heart. Itong ating video na ito ay kumakatawan ng dalawang klase. Una-una, ang pasasalamat sa Golden Heart. Ang pangalawa kay BJ Johnson ng Ganoderma Coffee. Look at this. The best coffee there is. Hindi lang ito regular coffee. Coffee to ng mga vitamins at nakaka-solve ng mga
Nakakabanat ng
Patiwan powder. With Ganoderma powder, collagen powder, and kasi Patiwan powder. Okay. Bama sa kalusugan.
Oo. Maganda din ito sa mga
Masarap.
may diabetic, okay? Sa mga diabetes patient, pwede po ito sa inyo dahil ang tamis nito ay hindi regular na tamis. Tamang-tama lamang at ang bawat ingredients ay nakakapagdulot ng vitamina sa atin. PJ, I just wanna thank you and also South Bay Town ng iyong condo na napakasaya namin na nag-stay doon. Okay, thank you guys! Love you! Mwah!
Hi guys, welcome to Ninoy Aquino Airport. We're here already, landed on time with Philippine Airlines. Andito nga pala yung aking porters, ang mabait na si Roel. Roel, say hello. Maraming salamat, Roel, ha. Maraming salamat. Ang pogi ng ating workers na matyaga talaga rito. Oh. Anyway, naka-wheelchair ako ngayon kasi nagkaroon ako ng aksidente. So, I can't walk right now. So, I'm gonna try to see if I can do the sub. Where is my thing?
Ito ma'am, papakita lang natin pag sa atin.
Alam mo, hindi ko makita yung span si selfie ito. I-ano mo na lang kaya? Ano mo na lang, i-focus mo sa akin. Sige po. Hi guys! I'm here, landed in Nia. Looking forward for our TV program at San Benito Mariano and also to Mangatarem, Pangasinan. Golden Heart. Looking forward to seeing you guys and to Ma'am Mel's Samera in Pangasinan. I love you guys. Thank you and watch out for the coming video of our feeding program dedicated to all the wonderful fathers out there in the world, especially to my honorable dad, Papa Mundo, and also to my son, Master Sergeant Michael Brian Villamaco and Ray. Bye guys, and of course, to Dr. G. Love you guys. What a beautiful morning today, guys. It's our day 3 here in Ambassador VIP Tour ng mga Pinoy. Nandito tayo, kasama natin si Dr. G at ng iba nating mga members. So I'm gonna flip around the camera because we're getting ready to board the Philippine Airlines going to Boracay. But first, we're having some breakfast. Let me turn this around, guys. Okay, hold on. Good morning. There's Doc getting ready to eat. Say good morning, Doc. Ano kinuha kaya ni Doc? Ooh! Wow, you have different kinds of goodies there.
Oh, there's a lot of Filipino food there too.
Oh my, look at that. What is that, balut? Huh?
No. Coffee, black coffee for Doc, and royal for me. Royal for me. I'm gonna go give you a tour real quick. Ang daming pagkain dito. May mga kutsinta pala. Teka, makatapos na nga ng pagbibideo, baka maubusan ako. There's only 4 left. Ay, 4 left na lang eh. Tignan mo, 3 na lang natira, oh. Mabili ang mga Pilipinong pagkain tulad nito. So, punta tayo sa kabila. Ando sila, Meg. Oh, naku, busy sila may kumain. Teka guys, let me just put this around. Too many food. Did you see the kutsinta ni? Okay guys, thank you so much. I'm getting ready na, ah. Okay, see you soon. Say bye, Doc.
Hi, everybody. So we do it again.
Congratulations for Pinay Lakas, Mrs. Ludi Villama Yalison, most outstanding Filipino Americans in the USA PhilAm Ambassador and Social Media Leader. She's from USA. Once again, congratulations for representing Pinay Lakas. And we call on our next awardee for the most outstanding professional TV talent coordinator and production researcher of the year. May I call on to Nolly Espinosa. And now let's proceed with our awarding ceremony. The award to Mr. Nolly Espinosilia is represented by Jeff T. Thank you so much.
Wow, it's really good, no? There's people around here. There's so many of them. Look, it's fully packed place. Enjoy yourself, Judy. Ganda ni Judy. Sarap ng noodles nila rito. Lahat ng pagkain masarap, guys. At saka ang mga server magaganda at mababait din.
Hi guys! I hope you enjoy our videos that we make for you guys from our trip from last year that was given to us by our veteran Marine Master Sergeant Michael Brian Villamac. Oh my God, it's so exciting, isn't it? And also, want to dedicate that videos to our beloved dear friends Meg and Manny Ilagan that collaborate with our ambassador tour. And in saying that, I would like to give a big shout out also to our followers now, our new followers of Pinoy Lakas, our dear friend Dina Tino of Tourism in the Philippines, Palawan. Thank you, Dina. You make our stay really, really memorable one. Thank you, guys. I hope to see you soon. And sorry that we did not able to put a more video in the past couple of weeks because my son ML is actually busy helping renovating the backyard in Azusa, but it's gonna be a good transformation later on. So we'll do that one day, okay? Thank you, bye! Always remember, be human, be kind, be humble all the time. God loves you, and so we are. Bye!
Pinoy Lakas